talk to throw a bone. For a while, I'm sleeping like a babe. The curiosity, get the Cadillac, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head onto the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.